Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to screen record on restricted apps. Sometimes, when you try to screen record on certain apps, you might encounter restrictions. This tutorial will guide you through methods to bypass those restrictions in a safe and straightforward way. First, if you're using an iPhone or iPad, start by opening the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and select Screen Time. Inside the Screen Time menu, look for Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap on it. Once you're in the Content and Privacy Restrictions menu, select App Store, Media, Web and Game. In the section, scroll down and find the option for Screen Recording. Tap on it and you will see two choices: Allow and Don't Allow. If Don't Allow is selected, change it to Allow. This will enable screen recording on your device. If you're trying to screen record an app that still blocks recording due to privacy settings, you can use a third-party solution. Download a screen recording app from your App Store that supports bypassing restrictions. Make sure to choose a trusted app with good reviews. For Android devices, if an app prevents you from recording, try enabling developer options. Open your phone's settings and scroll to About Phone. Tap on the build number 7 times to enable developer options. Go back to Settings, find Developer Options, and look for Disable Secure Content. Turn this option on. Then use your device's built-in screen recorder or a third-party app to record. As an alternative for both iOS and Android, you can connect your device to a computer and use screen recording software like OBS Studio. Once connected, set up your device as a source in the software and you can record the restricted app without issues. Remember to always follow the terms of service of the apps you're using and avoid recording sensitive content without permission. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of screen recording on restricted apps. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.